In this video we will configure static IP and default route. Let's assign an IP address of 192.168.8.10.24 to port 1. Allow HTTP, ping and via port 1. Let's ping and confirm the connectivity between the firewall and the home router. Here the firewall is enabled to ping the Google DNS IP since it does not have a default route configured. Let's configure a default static route, making the home router as the next hop to reach the internet. Now the firewall should be able to ping the internet as it has a default route in the routing table. Let's ping and confirm. Hope you guys find this video informative. Please subscribe and learn more in the field of network engineering.